Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe and maintaining the safe distance, the social distancing as is a norm nowadays. I must thank you, Vasundhara, for inviting me to share my journey of motherhood with the beautiful and gorgeous mother of a Footprint. It's an honor to be associated with Footprints. Motherhood, as I would say, is just not a journey, but an adventure, a thrill, which is worth reliving for. You learn such a lot of things along with your kid. You live your own childhood once again as with your child. You start your days by once again learning the slanting lines, the straight lines, the hopping on the number line, learning the rhymes. Learning the rhymes remind me of one particular incident that had happened with, when my son was very young. He would be around 3 years or 3+ years old, and he locked himself in the kitchen while I was cooking, and I was out of my kitchen, and he locked himself, latched from inside. I was terrified. It was a scary thing, and he was like again and again calling me, but then I could not go near the window as the gas which was burning and stove which was burning was near the window, and on hearing my voice he would run towards the window. So I was completely a nervous wreck, but had to keep my cool, and I recall the rhyme that I learned along with him. And what I start doing is that, well child, let us start the rhyme. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. And in doing so, what I told him is, play with the latch, not with your arms. He started singing with me with the latch up and down till it had come to the position where it can go out. So this is what is the journey of motherhood. It's the thrill that we have. I must say, kids of all age and of the age group especially between 1 to 8 or 9 are more adventurous than anyone else. They are crazy about toys. The same thing was there with my son. You buy him a new toy, and what he would do is he'll just dismantle it immediately and will bring it to me and say, Mom, now what? You can imagine, friends, my condition, a new toy which we have bought, and then he has completely dismantled and innocently has brought, Mom, now what? So, keeping my cool again, I would sit with him. I used to make sure that he is there with me, and we would try to reassemble it. But then trust me, most of the time we could not reassemble the thing, and what was the result is it used to go into the basket of all broken toys, which he would love to keep it. He wouldn't let me throw any part of it. Similarly, as a toddler, when he started going to school and when he started taking his first lesson in swimming, in the first lessons of cricket, it was all worth sharing. But it would take a lot of time if I start doing it. But yes, it is said, mother is the first teacher of a child, and home is all where it begins. I would like to share here my son when he was a young boy in his primary classes, used to earn his canteen money. He used to earn 2 rupees per day for his canteen money, and this 2 rupees he would earn by keeping the school bag in the place, by keeping his shoes in the shoe racks, by keeping taking out the tiffin box and keeping it in the kitchen. discarded uniform in the laundry bag. By the end of the week, he would earn his canteen money. Many of you might be thinking, like, how is this? A child, what is the use of penalizing, or it's something like being so harsh on a child? But friends, let me tell you, this new things that the child learns, say for example, if he has learned to sit with me and again reorganize the broken toys, that has actually helped the child in improving his creative quotient. He, no doubt, as I said before, that we could not come back with a new toy, the toy that he dismantled, but then we ended up making a transformer kind of cars, which would be just, he would be happy playing with it. Similarly, this money that he used to earn for his canteen gave him the importance of the value of money. He would know that yes, I have earned it, and he would be really happy on Fridays when he would take the canteen money to his school. Similarly, from the very young age, when it did not start properly in the school, he learned it at home, the financial management. He would calculate, he would keep a note of it, that this week I have earned this much money. So that is what we inculcate. I do understand that parents who are working, it becomes at times very difficult, challenging. Trust me. Even me, as a working parent, with two simultaneous careers, one an educationist, the other is a psychotherapist counselor, and with his father sales and marketing executive, it was a challenge for us. But then, if we are prioritizing our issues, the issues in front of us can be social, can be personal, can be professional. Prioritize your issue. Know which one has to be given importance. You find it yourself solving all the problems, the issues that in front of you, the challenges in front of you in a jiffy. You can do it in no time. This is what is motherhood. This is what motherhood teaches us. Give quality time to your child. Play with him, paint with him, sing, read stories together. It gives them the confidence that yes, and encourage, yes. It gives them the confidence that my mother, who is also there with me, she is also doing the same activities as me and is encouraging and is patting me, then I can do it. As I said, mother is the first teacher of the student, of the child. So friends, this is like a beautiful journey. Yes, no doubt at times we do feel like okay, जल्दी से बड़ा बच्चा हो जाए, बहुत ज़्यादा naughty हो रहा है. But then this is the best time that you have when the child is there with you. Today my son has graduated from University of Toronto. He is a graduate of 2020, and it's just our hard luck that we could not be there for the convocation, which has been turned into a virtual one because of the pandemic that's going on. But then yes, it's okay. The achievement, and we also bask on his achievement. It's a collective effort. No doubt my child has played an important role there. He has worked hard. But then, as a parent, we are proud of it. All the best to each one of you. Stay safe. God bless you all.